What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can run n8n locally on your computer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. For this to work, you will need Docker desktop, which means that Docker desktop should be installed on your computer. I have a separate video, which is a very short video that you can watch, in which I go into depth how to set up Docker. So go ahead and watch that video first. And then after you have downloaded and installed the Docker desktop on your Windows or on your Mac, what you can do is you can open the Docker, come to this Docker Hub tab and search for n8n, and you'll see a lot of images here. What you should be looking for is this n8nio/n8n with 100 million plus downloads. So click on this and click on pull. So this will start pulling our n8n image from the Docker Hub. You don't need to go into the details what an image is. If you don't know it, don't worry. After the image is successfully pulled, what you can do is you can simply go here and click on run. And now here, what we need to do is we need to give name to our n8n container. So let's say n8n. You can name it anything that you like. I'll name it n8n. And then keep the port as default, which is 5678. And click on run. Now, a security pop-up may be shown on your screen. Click on allow, and you can see it says now that the editor is now accessible via this URL. So just open up this URL, and you can see here you have the n8n running on your local host. This is all on your local machine. Now you can put your email here and create an owner's account, and there you go. Now you can create a workflow, whatever you want to do in the n8n. This is it. See how simple it was. If this thing was awesome, then you owe me a subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.